Now I'm going to do presentation of my deep learning of week 45 model 4th year 2025 to 2026. Insertion from last week nothing. And this is the 5 steps. First, understanding the concept. Second, solving numerical exercises of that concept. Third, practical application as per the book. Fourth, practical application in my own surrounding. And fifth, how will I utilize this concept in my own life that it will impact me and my own community directly, or how can I utilize leverage the concept of provide a better service. So learning I learn in science temperature. So temperature is if you are measuring it is hot or cold. So the if you are measuring anything, so it is called temperature. And measuring temperature, uh, so we measure. I learn about three type of thermometer. First clinical thermometer, second mercury thermometer, and third laboratory thermometer. So clinical thermometer, we are using this for measuring our body temperature, and mercury thermometer we usually find it is people use very long time ago. Now it is not using because if it is break any accidentally, so it is risky. So mercury thermometer now we are not using. So and laboratory thermometer we are using, we normally see uh, in a school lab, in scientist in lab. Clinical thermometer, it is only measure minimum at 30, minimum I think 30 32 degrees Celsius, and maximum it is I think clinical thermometer, it is maximum it can measure 42 degrees Celsius, and laboratory thermometer minimum is minus 10 degree, and maximum is 110 degree. So from above 42 degrees Celsius, laboratory thermometer can measure. And measuring scale, so degree Celsius scale for Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit Celsius scale, Kelvin scale. So these are some scale. So these are three type of three scales, and the name is uh, जो नेम है ये साइंटिस्ट के नाम पे है, जो जिन्होंने इनका खोज मतलब जिन्होंने खोज किया है उनके ही नाम पे ये डिग्री सेल्सियस सेल्सियस स्केल, फ़ारेनहाइट फ़ारेनहाइट सॉरी फ़ारेनहाइट स्केल, केल्विन स्केल है. Air temperature in our school lab, we can see there is a thermometer on the wall. So that is that is measuring our air temperature, room temperature. Like I can show you. This is the clinical thermometer. This one is clinical thermometer, and this one is laboratory thermometer, and this is thermometer for measuring room temperature. So in science, I learned these things. Now I did not solve some questions. I solved, and there is some question is left. And in math, I learned about algebraic expression. In algebraic expression, I learned how to add, subtract, and multiply. And I learned about monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. So this chapter is complete. And monomial. If there is any question, if there is one term, it will be monomial, and if there is two term, it will be binomial, and in expression there is a three term, so it will trinomial, and if in expression if there is a more than three term, it will polynomial. So now I'm going to solve some questions of addition, subtraction, and multiplication. One question from addition, subtraction, and multiplication I will solve. one question is here which I will take separate. One question is here which is including addition, subtraction, right? Seven x 5 plus 5yz minus 3zx comma 4yz plus 9 zx minus 1 zx minus 4 comma minus 3xz plus 5x minus 3x plus 5x minus 2x. So this is the question. First I will put like term, then I will solve like here is 7x5 minus 2x y 10 plus 5yz plus 4yz then minus 3zx plus 9zx plus 9zx minus 3xz. Xz and zx is equal. Then minus 4y and then plus 5x. So it is plus minus minus, so 5xy plus 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 9y z 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Then here minus plus minus, so here it will be plus 6zx. Then here is minus minus plus, so minus 6xz and then minus 3xz then plus 4y plus 5x. It is 5xy plus 9yz and plus minus minus, where it will be plus 3xz minus 4y plus 5 plus 5y xy plus. So first I put it like term. This is the question. So first I put it like terms in one place, like xy 7xy minus 2xy, then 5yz plus 5yz plus 7 sorry 4yz, and then I put it like term of xz, and then if this is 4y and 5x, there is this is not a like term, like this is unlike term. So first I put it like term in one place, and then I did like addition, plus minus minus. So then I did subtraction and addition. Yeah, I did both. You can see. And then the answer is 5xy plus 9yz plus 3xz minus 4y plus 5x. Then I will now I will do question of little bit multiplication. I will take one question only because nothing is very difficult in multiplication or is like 4p q plus r. So I can say I will take one another question and difficult. Let's take not this one. I will take this is easy. I will take some difficult like a square because there when I solve this question I feel difficult. 2y plus 4 4a 26. So this one I can say I will not a is I can say is p, so I will take 2 multiply by 3 2 plus 22 minus 26 away from 8 20. So the answer is 2a50. Maybe it is correct because I feel still now I feel it is difficult, so I will check. No, it is not correct because I did here mistake. I did one mistake here because I forgot to multiply 2 and 4. So if I multiply this one, so I will take out 2 and 4 outside and then this one is same, so I will put if 2 plus 22 plus 26. When I multiply then it will come then it will come 8 a 50. So answer is that one was right if power of 15, but here I put it 2 because I did not take 4. I forgot here is 4, so that's why it was wrong. Now it is correct. 8 a is power 8 a and power 50. So this is one question I felt difficult, and now still I I did wrong in first time and then second time I did correct. So this one question related with multiplication I feel difficult.